Hello all, my name is Gowri Nandini and today I'll be presenting final internship project which is developed during the WSA MERN full stack development internship. So the project is OrderIt, which is the full stack food ordering web application built using the MERN stack technology. So it allows the users to browse restaurants, order food, make secure online payments, and manage their orders. Along with these features, I also integrated AI functionalities to enhance the user experience. So, in this presentation, I'll briefly explain the project overview, technology stack, system architecture, database design, core features, AI intelligence, security, learnings and roadmaps, and the challenges I faced during the project development. Coming to the overview, project overview. So the project is OrderIt, which is a complete online food ordering platform developed using the MERN stack. The application allows the users to browse restaurants, order food, apply coupons, make secure payments online, and track their orders. So it supports different roles like customers and admin, each with the different permissions. So I also integrated AI features for food description and review summaries to improve the user experience. So these are the technologies I have used to develop this project. The front end is developed using the React and Redux toolkit. So while Node.js and Express.js are used for backend API development, so MongoDB database is used as a database for storing all the application data. So Stripe is used for secure online payments and Cloudinary for image storage and JWT with the bcrypt, so which is for authentication and password security. So these are the technologies so I have used to build this project. Coming to the system architecture, the application follows a three-layer architecture consisting of the front end, back end, and the database. So when the user interacts with the uh, front end, that is React, front end sends the API request to the backend, Express backend, and the backend processes the request and communicates with the MongoDB and returns the response to the front end, that is to the user. So external services like Stripe, Cloudinary, which is for image storage, and AI APIs and node mailers are also integrated. So database design. So MongoDB is a database which is used for storing all the application data. So the project contains seven main collections, which is a user, restaurant, menu, food items, cart, order, and coupons. These are the seven collections, core collections that the project has. So each collection stores a specific information data, making the database organized, scalable, and easy to manage. So, core features, the application provides the role based accounts, that is for customers and admins, each have their own access. So users can browse the restaurant, search for food. They can view the menu and submit the ratings and reviews after they place the order. So and the admin can admin can update the prices. Admin can update the prices, add the new items, or admin can delete the existing items. So these features makes the platform easy to use and interactive. So cart and checkout and order management, which is users can add food items to the cart and apply valid coupons and complete the secure payment using the Stripe. So after successful payment, stock is updated automatically and the order is stored in the database with its status for future tracking. Security and authentication. So to secure the authentication, I implemented JWT authentication, which is a Java Web Token. And bcrypt password hashing, rule based authorization, secure password reset, input validation, and centralized error handling. So these features helps protecting users data and prevent unauthorized access. No one who are unauthorized, they cannot access. Only the authorized people can have access. So front end architecture, which is I mean the front end is built using the it is which is developed using the React and White with the reusable components like a header, footer, or navbar, like all these are the reusable components. So Redux toolkit, which manages the application state, React routes, so which handles the navigation, and the toast notification provides instant feedback for user actions. So yeah, coming to the challenges I have faced during the development, I have faced challenges like AI response, formatting, and image uploads, and the backend error handling. Yeah, I solved the errors by myself. So which is interesting and helped me to fix the bugs. So this project helped me to gain the practical experience in full stack development, the secure API development, and the database design, authentication, payment integration, and AI features, and other things. So this project really helped me to gain hands-on experience in full stack development using MERN stack. Yeah, this project has been a great learning for me, which helped me to understand a real world Manstock application. So I sincerely thank the WSA internship team and my mentor Richa ma'am and everyone who helped me and guided me, supported me throughout this project. Now I'll demonstrate the working of my project. This is the project folder which has two folders, backend and front end. This is the project structure. So let me run this project. To run this project, we need to open the terminal. At present, we are in food project app. So we have to run the backend folder, which means we have to move to the backend folder from the project folder. So for that, you need to type cd folder name, which is backend. Just click enter. Now to run the backend, we need to type command npm start. As you can see, the server is running on the port number 4000, and the MongoDB database also connected successfully. Now let's run the project. You should not close the terminal. Just click on the plus, another terminal will open. Now we need to run the front end, which means we have to move from the project folder to the front end. For that, we need to type command cd file name, which is the front end. So to run the front end, we use the command npm run dev, as it generates a link which need to be open on the browser. So just copy this link, just open it in the browser, just paste it here. So this is the homepage of my application. Here users can view all the available restaurants along with their details. Mm, the restaurant data displayed on this page is fetched from the MongoDB through the backend APIs and rendered on the React frontend. As users can view all the available restaurants present on the application. So here you can search for the, so in the search bar users can search for the restaurant what they want. As you can see here, the view review summary also present, which gives a review summary whether it is a positive or you can also hide the summary. So let me create an so let me demonstrate you how the project works, starting with the login. So I'll just log out because already there is an user. As you can see, when I click on logout, so a message is displayed which is log out successfully. So click on login button. So if you are a new user, we have to choose the new user. So a form will be open, registration form. We need to enter all these, we need to fill all these details to register. So let me give my name, let me give the name. So enter all the details, password, everything, password confirmation, phone numbers. So as you can also select avatar, this is the default avatar. If you want avatars, you can also choose or you can browse it. So click on register. When you click on the register button, the front end sends the entered user information to the backend through the API request. So the backend validates the input data, checks whether the email already exists or not, and hashes the password we using bcrypt and stores the user's detail in MongoDB. So after successful registration, a web token is generated and stored success means securely in cookies. So the user is automatically logged in next time. So just click on register. So we have successfully created the account for the new user. So in the search bar, we can browse the restaurants. Like if I search for Haldirams, so when you search for the particular restaurant, it will be visible. So let me demonstrate how the project works. I'll open it. So I'll select. So as you can see, when you select the particular restaurant, it has a different categories like starters, main course, and like bread. Everything will be organized. So as you can see, all these are the three categories present in this restaurant. Let me show you how it works, how the application works after we add the items to the cart. Just add the items to the cart. I'll choose two. So as you can see, when you click add to the cart, the selected food items are added to the user's cart. So the backend checks whether the item already exists in the cart. If it is already exists, only the quantity is updated instead of creating a duplicate entry. So the updated cart information is then stored in the MongoDB and reflected immediately to the front end. So users can increase or decrease items quantity before placing the order. So let's go to the cart. So we have selected two items which is of total 1025 rupees. Just click on we'll just click on checkout button. Here user enters the, so when you click on checkout button, so this page will be open, Stripe page will be open where user has to enter the delivery details, full address. So let me fill all these details. So as you can select the state, enter the number. So just enter the card information. So this card information is just for testing. I have to select the month and year. So just click on pay after entering all your details. So just click on the pay button. See, when you click on the save button, pay button, your order has been placed successfully. Now we can. So once the payment is successful, the backend creates a new order in MongoDB. So before confirming the order, it checks whether sufficient stock is available or not. If stock is not available, uh, so it directly shows the stock is not available. If it is available, the ordered quantity is automatically deducted from the inventory. Finally, the order status is successful. So now I'll go to the orders. So users can view all their previous orders on this page. So every order displays information such as ordered items, payment details, delivery address, order amount, and current status. So if you click on view button, so it shows your delivery information, whatever the name, phone number, address, amount you have given will be displayed on the order page. So as you can see, this is the database. So as I mentioned earlier, there are 7 main collections which are cart, coupons, food items, menus, orders, and restaurants. So this is the database of the users. So this is the complete demonstration of my project. Overall, OrderIt, it's a complete MERN stack food ordering platform that includes authentication, role-based access, restaurant management, shopping carts, coupons, everything. So throughout this internship, I gained practical knowledge, practical experience in front-end development, back-end API development, database design, authentication, cloud services, payment integration, everything. So thank you for WSA team, uh, Richa ma'am, mentor, who helped me in this project. So I sincerely thank the WSA internship team and mentor Richa ma'am and everyone who guided and supported throughout this project. Thank you for your attention and time.